Let's go into the little teapot.
See what I found my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see.
That's a nice house. Oh, this is something like chocolate brown. Guys, so we're gonna feed some animals today. We're gonna cook some beautiful things today. So come along for the vlog. If it's your first time coming onto my channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when I upload another video. Nuts. Nuts. Okay. Hey guys, we're at the farm. Oh, look pretty. Guys, I got my feed because I'm feeding animals today, but I have to show you what it looks like. So guys, I'm just walking to go to the animals now, so we can feed them. Last time I went to the farm, I never have no food. I have to pick up now, I have my own food. So let's go. Hello? Yes. You want some too? Are you sure? I want to give the big one. This one. Come, baby. You're a big boy, though. Come. Oh no, big one. Big. We don't have to fight. We don't have to fight. Oh, it's too low for him. See you later. See, Bucky? No more. Guys, this goat's the little mouth wet, you see? Oh Lord. You should see their little, you should feel their little mouth. Says he wants to eat them. Right? Like why does he want to eat them? Maybe I will come back. You will come back? Take a picture here, no? You will come back and take a picture of me, doesn't?
Take a picture here now. Oh no. No, not this one.
Feathery friends. Hi, Mr. Peacock. Hello. Oh, I wonder what the red something around them head for.
Bite, nibble, and
Behave unpredictably. Hey.
You regular doctor, black one.
Oh, look at his mouth.
And my bad one, you know, is.
Look at his. Hello. This are you them at all going to behave badly. It's corn they're eating, you know. We out. We have a lot we don't. Come. Play me something. Caribbean in here. Jamaican in here can't be quiet.
That's why I have that photo.
Mom, see them have bubbles. Oh, I think it's a monkeys, donkeys. Come. Let's go to the donkeys.
Oh, my donkey on this side of it.
A horse then the beside way. Oh, so the tulip don't mess up. No, in the rest. Do not enter, do not climb. If feeding, use a flat open palm. Flat open palm, babe. Try it now.
Bobby.
Put the food in there.
No, you
No, you go first. Guide me now, please. Guide me. Alan, go first.
So, yeah.
Ready? Yep. Is that record? Why is this mouth so big? Do you guys want? Is it koi? You want some?
Sure.
Just keep your hands flat. Okay. You have to. I wouldn't feed the big one either because I'm a little scared. I don't like it.
Why you want me to be scared with you?
You want to come with me?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, let it
Keep your hands flat.
That's the longer one, the more dangerous
I know. Good job.
Sobre.
So brave. Guys, the donkey mode me. The donkey mode. My food had done never take time.
Oh, llama.
Alright, let's go to the llamas. Guys, that donkey's mouth. It's a mouth and a half, I'm telling you. Alright, let's go. We're gonna go feed the llamas. I don't know, sheep. Sheep, yeah, babe. Alpacas. Alpacas, that's what it says. So, guys, we have sheep. And we have the alpacas. Where? Me? Come, we're gonna go feed them. Come. Come, technical. Alright. Guys, I'm just reading. Do not enter. Same things. Wait, I'm coming. He's gonna go feed them. How can I switch? All animals have teeth, which means they all have the capability to do something.
They don't eat it? They need that?
Oh, they don't like anything.
Come on, this one's heads up. Let's go.
Oh yeah, this one's eating everything. He's trying to climb the fence.
You go first. You go first.
Right.
All right, come.
Like it.
What more animals? There are more animals. Hold it. Oh, you're so pretty.
He doesn't like the flowers.
It feels so weird. Like they literally eat anything.
Oh, that's why I eat anything. Come on.
Hey,
How much do you have?
hey, can I touch your little head? Is it okay to touch your little head? I guess. Are you gonna give them the little flower? Bye. Bye.
Yeah.
Listen.
That's
The animals.
just sitting in that coat.
They come down big. And we must go on. I'ma try. Man. Animals are so weird. Their little mouths are so. I don't know what I'm expecting. But I realize that they need them tongue to eat.
Yeah.
I think I wasn't prepared again for that. Even though I've done this. Oh, when you're driving?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, guys, we're going to the cows now. I go feed 2 cows. Like in our country. Mini Highland cows. Alright. Of course, you know, husband has to go first. Ensure it's safe. All right. Let's go feed the cows.
I see them in all the pictures.
Their heads are so huge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You feeding them. And those horses are hungry too.
Oh, we gave the horses already.
No,
Did ya?
we didn't. Yeah, it's the
Oh, the
mini
donkeys.
horses.
Oh, the
Stole
donkey.
a couple of tulips and fed them.
Look at me.
Yeah, they have recorded.
Hurt the
No, don't touch his horn.
And did they ever like it too?
Can't let the tulips go to waste.
Ready? Hold on. I'll see if it's strong on. I can't see it at all.
See, that's better. See, and that.
One of the beautiful things about the farm, you can wash your hands. So, washing my hands after feeding that big mouth cow. His mouth was huge. Guys, it's nice out here, but it's very hot. Well, not very hot, it's just hot. And you know, when you're coming from the cold temperature and then the heat kicks in, it's like you almost can't manage it. But look at the beauty, man. Purple and yellow tulips. Orange tulip. Let me show you, hold on. So you have the purple ones here, purple and yellow. You have a nice little teapot, which I'm gonna go over to shortly. The orange, these peachy orange ones. Look at the pink. Oh, beautiful. Let's go into the little teapot. Which of the little movies is about a teapot? Hello? Is anyone home? I'm in the little teapot. I'm a little teapot, short and sprout. Here, oh my. Look, it's in here cool, you know. And nice. Hi, I'm in the teapot. Guys, so listen hot. I had to what? I had to take off the hat a bit because hello, I'm hot. Let's go over the bridge. Let's get over the bridge. Let's go 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 over the bridge. The bridge. Miss Matty, you have any egg? We can get quarter of bread, big Gila Isle, 2 egg, 1 stick of butter. At least give me half stick of butter. Yeah. That's live when I come from Jamaica. Guys, I used to buy half stick of butter. What you know about quarter of bread? What you know about half stick of butter? What you know about big jollof oil? If you don't know those things, again, Auntie Tiffany, shopkeeper. So nice. I know I've said it 100 times, but so nice. Listen, mushroom house. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. And the right music I playing.
Big everywhere that boy tulip and farmer. What?
So me can't give me this. Since I'm trying to make me have to. Hear he. People of the world. I want to be your next Premier Prime Minister of Canada or Jamaica. Guys, look at that huge butterfly. Gosh, this place is immaculate. Like, if you are into flowers, this is where you need to be. We're gonna go feed some more animals. Let's go feed the pony.
I am right. So cool.
Here, you've picked a bee, and the baby animals are waiting to meet you, little chicks. Duck.
Me! I'm a baby animal too. Well,
The tulip forest is and Mama Man's kitchen is it.
trust me.
Enjoy every moment. This is your farm today.
I did it! Guys, I don't know why. The starting off is always a little scary. I can't lie. Because like you don't know what they're going to do, right? Storytelling while you're walking. What else could you ask for? Seriously. Yeah, anybody who put this together, good job. This is even better than the one I went to in Calgary. No shade, no lie. Yeah. We may feed have a little bit of feed left, right? There's a little bit of feed left, so we're gonna feed the last animals, and then we're probably gonna scoot out of here because someone's got work.
Wonderful, take your time.
Let's go.
It's enchanting.
But seriously, beautiful,
Buzz lives there.
beautiful.
But don't get him
Want to feed
the giant teeth.
the donkey them again?
Yeah,
Which one did you like feed the most? So feed that one the most.
feed another. I usually feed it donkey here.
Me did feed him most. I feed the big one.
Pig and I get
Ooh,
pig.
where pig there? I'll come and feed the pig. After I pig feed me? No, we have to feed the pig. Pig is always giving us his best. It's good to walk though. Is there a pig in there though? Tell me if you see one before I come. He's tired of all the attention. He's like, Okay, Piggy's asleep, so unfortunately he will not be fed. But we're gonna probably feed the donkeys who pooped all over town. You coming? I don't know if they're coming. Guys, it's coming like a long time in a walk going away. Look a walk. Babe, they're not coming. We'll forget something when I move, so we don't walk around the feed.
Eat chicken and this other thing.
What are you? Alright. We're gonna feed our own farm animal.
A shiny boot.
Oh my gosh. Guys, let me know if you enjoyed the farm. I know that watching is never the same as actually being there to experience it. This was fun. Did you have fun, sir?
Yes, I did.
Okay, you heard it. Yeah. Oh, this is the best time to do this. Hold on, guys. All right, guys, so we're done with the farm. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.